Today, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu on hosting a website builder. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize your pages into a clean, easy to navigate drop-down, which is especially helpful if your site has a lot of content or you want related pages grouped together in your main menu. First, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and open your site in the website builder editor. This is the main workspace where you design and manage your website. Give it a moment to load and you should see your page layout in the center with various tools and icons around the edges. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, find the pages and navigation icon. It usually looks like a small stack of pages. Go ahead and click that. This panel controls what appears in your site's navigation menu, including the pages visitors see at the top of your site. When you click it, you'll see a list of all your current pages, usually in the order they appear in your main menu. Scroll to the bottom of this list and look for the option that says Add a New Dropdown. This is the button that lets you create a folder-like item that can hold several pages underneath it. Click on Add a New Dropdown. As soon as you do this, a new item appears in your navigation list. By default, it might have a generic name, so let's rename it to something that makes sense for your site. Click on the new drop-down item's name to edit it. Type in a clear, descriptive title, such as Treasurer Logs or whatever best matches the group of pages you plan to store inside. A good name helps visitors immediately understand what kind of content they'll find in that section. Once your drop-down is named, it's time to add pages into it. Look through the list of your existing pages in the same Pages and Navigation panel. You'll notice that each page has a handle made of 6 small dots, often displayed as a grid or icon to the left of the page name. This is what you use to drag and reorder your pages. Click and hold on those 6 dots for the page you want to move into the drop-down. While holding your mouse button, drag the page underneath the drop-down item you just created. To nest it properly inside the drop-down, drag it slightly to the right so it's indented below that item. When you release the mouse, the page should now appear as a child page under the drop-down instead of as a main menu item. Repeat this process for any other pages you want to include. Drag each one by the 6-dot handle, drop it just under the drop-down name, and indent it slightly to the right. If the indentation is correct, those pages will all be grouped together and will appear as part of the drop-down menu on your website. When you're done organizing, you can preview your site to confirm everything looks right. Hover over the new drop-down in your navigation and you should see all the pages you placed inside it. If something isn't where you expected, just return to the Pages and Navigation panel and adjust the dragging and indenting until it matches your desired structure. That's all there is to it. You've created a drop-down menu in hosting a website builder and organized your pages into a clean, easy-to-use navigation for your visitors.